is Yuli Shin, and I am 31 years old, and I live in Atlanta, Georgia. I just wanted to talk about some of the benefits I felt after I started taking the TeloYouth pills that my mom told me about. In the beginning, I felt a little concerned about taking these, but after being convinced by my mom, I started taking this, and now it's part of my daily routine. I started taking 2 of the pills in the morning on an empty stomach, just to ease myself into this. And I started noticing that my body wasn't as tired throughout the day. I had more energy throughout the day, more focused at work, and I just kind of overall felt that my body felt younger. It was, before in my early 20s, I played a lot of sports and was very active. But right after I turned 30, I started feeling really, really tired all the time, low energy. Even though I would exercise, after I would feel really sore, and it was hard for me to stay consistent with being active. But after taking this TeloYouth, it's almost as if I'm able to continue being active as I was in my early 20s. So I feel more energized. I feel like I'm digesting better, like my body, all of my systems in the body just feel so much faster, younger, and I feel a lot more energized from it. So now it's part of my daily routine, and I love it. Thank you.